If you always wanted to be an actor, then you need to take the Acting for Film and Television course.
You should go through the Acting for Film and Television course because you learn everything there is to know about the business.
I would plug into this course because before I did it, I didn't have a good understanding of how do I break down a script and how do I find a character. This course actually gives you the skill sets that you're going to need to be effective.
I've had a lot of fun just learning and expanding my knowledge of acting as a whole.
Fresh off our acting classes, Marcella landed a great role with Ryan Reynolds in The Green Lantern. Amy has landed many national commercials along with a lead role in a feature film opposite Dean Cain. Minor is now a full-time actor in national commercials, TV, as well as in animated films as a voice actor. Elizabeth is rocking the film and commercial circuit, and Jamie has improved his roles from background to leading characters in film and TV. And you can do the same.
It was amazing. It's one of the best things that I have ever done. I highly encourage you to sign up at startyouractingcareer.com and get started right now.
I highly recommend signing up for this course. Do it today. Pull the trigger. It'll be worth it.
If you always wanted to be an actor, then you need to take the Acting for Film and Television course.
So sign up for the Acting for Film and Television course right now. You won't regret it.